Hello there, good day friends. Welcome back to my channel. And today is Monday. It's December 29. We are going to Singapore to celebrate New Year. And yes, so it's not a winter vibe, but definitely we'll be catching some fireworks. So come with me as I go to Singapore. See ya! Alright friends, before tayo malis ng bansa, let me share with you my travel essentials para iwas hassle sa airport and especially sa immigration. First and foremost, your PH passport. It must be valid at least 6 months before your travel date. Number 2, your e-gov declaration. Don't forget to accomplish this online bago pumunta sa airport. It's super important too. If you're flying to Singapore like me, you also need the SG arrival card, so you have to fill this out in advance para mas mabilis ang process pagdating. Now, for employed travelers like me, bring your COE with you or the Certificate of Employment. If you're government employee naman, make sure you have your travel authority. Immigration officers may ask for this. Now, for pocket monies or for payments abroad, especially in SG, I highly recommend using a card with zero or low foreign transaction fees. In my case, I use Maribank. It's zero foreign transaction fees plus may cashback pa. O, diba? Maribank, baka naman. Sarap. Okay, anyway, we should travel wiser. Okay, we know SG is expensive. So, we have to make sure dapat mabalance natin. Okay? So, that's a tip. Of course, always have your return tickets ready. This is one of the most common things immigration checks. Next, hotel booking or accommodation details, whether hotel or Airbnb, make sure may proof ka. And sometimes, immigration officers will also ask about your activity bookings, like tours or attractions. So it's better to have them saved on your phone or printed, just in case hanapin sa inyo. Okay, but in my case, it's the very first time na walang tinanong sa akin ng immigration. Like, tinignan niya lang ako, tinignan niya yung computer niya, and then nagtatak na siya. And that's it! And additionally, to keep us connected, at the same time, we can navigate from the airport, going to our hotel, or during our travels, na hindi tayo maliligaw, just purchase an eSIM sa Klook. Very convenient. And also, to keep us always at peace when we are traveling, always purchase a travel insurance. In my case, I purchase always Travel Choice sa Klook. So that's will give you peace of mind when you're traveling. Okay? So don't forget that. So after immigration, diretso na agad kami sa A-Lounge. We have to maximize our perks sa credit card. Of course, mahabang pila pero mabilis lang naman yung usad sa A-Lounge by that time. So we just had our dinner. At the same time, nagpahinga while waiting for our flight because we will arrive at Singapore by past 12 already. So that's really a red-eye flight, you know? Okay, so if you have that perks, so you have to make sure to maximize it as well. So after 3 hours and 15 minutes to be exact, welcome to Singapore. Ayan, ang ganda ng airport. Sana all na lang talaga. Anyway, so let's go now and have a clear sa immigration. Guys, ang ganda. It's e-gates, okay? Of course, meron naman tayo sa Philippines din, pero kaka-launch lang, di ba? Anyway, I'm just so amazed by the efficiency of the airport. Sa airport pa lang tayo, how much more mamaya paglabas natin, di ba? And labas na tayo para abang ng bus going to Jewel Terminal 1. Let's check the bus. Okay, so since it's already past 12, dito tayo sa loop service. Let's go, 19 minutes bus frequency. Okay, so turn right, straight, and let's wait for the bus going to Terminal 1. Ayan, maraming kainan dito kung gutom kayo if you have a red-eye flight. Okay. Anyway, busog kami. Let's go. Okay, so just in time, the bus is here. Let's go. So, nasa bus na tayo. And we're going to Terminal 1. Okay, see you later. Friends, we decided to just stop sa Terminal 2 because of this, di ba? Ang ganda! Oh my God.
A few moments later.
By the way, friends, ang Changi Lounge is located at the ground floor. So, mabilis lang naman siyang i-locate. There, that's your palatandaan, the Starbucks and the Fila store. Baba lang kayo sa escalator doon. And then, go to your left pagbaba nyo. And then, you're here na. The Changi Lounge. Okay, they are open from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. only. Ayan. So, pagpasok nyo, this is how it looks like. Actually, malawak siya. Yan, that's the front desk. That's the area where you can rest. And Changi Lounge, pwede bang gamitin arrival or departure. So, you can go here sa Jewel Changi Airport. So, right now, we just have to eat our breakfast. And then after that, we go to the hotel na for early check-in. Okay, gutom na ako. Let's go. See what they have. By the way, it's free-flowing snacks if you're using your Dragon Pass. Ayan. So they have sandwiches, of course, pastries, served croissant, brownies, oranges. They have biscuits, water, of course, juice, cereal, yan, coffee, tea. Oh, di ba? Di ka nalugi. Charot. Ayan. Oh, di ba? Ang dami. Soft drinks, milk tea, coffee, ayan, green tea. Ayun. Oh, kung you want to brew your own coffee, they have it here as well. Ayan. Di ba? Ayan, so let's go and grab something to eat. And let's have some butter croissant. Isa lang. Ayan, friends. So, kung papasok kayo dito sa Changi Lounge and you want to avail through Dragon Pass and Priority Pass, there's a difference. Sa Dragon Pass, you can choose one hot meal and of course, you can take a shower for free. Sa Priority Pass, ang difference, meron siyang one free beer. Ayan. Okay. Masarap ba? Train to city is at Terminal 2. Going to Terminal 2. Go. And then turn right. Under my signage naman, train to city. So, hindi ko mawawala. Ayan, sundan nyo lang yung signage, guys. There you go. Our Mari Bank here. Tingnan natin kung gumana. Visa, MasterCard. Yeah, there you go. It's working. Okay. Alright friends, so we're here na sa The Pod Boutique Capsule Hotel. This is just along the beach road. Malapit lang to sa Haji Lane and Arab Street. So let's go and check in. Hey guys, let's go check in into our room here at The Pod. Room 308. Room 3 pala. Yan. And then... Ayan. Ayan. Maliit lang to. Tulog lang naman tayo. Pod. Ayan. Wala kayong kasama dito. Ano to? Sa taas. Room pa rin ata. Yan lang. Ganyan lang kaliit. Ayan. Ayan, friends. Tapos, ito yung shared bathroom. The shower. It's their shower. And of course, the toilet. Yes, my bidet. Perfect. Ayan. It's a shower, hot and cold. Yes. And may kasama na shampoo and body wash. So, no need na magdala. And of course, may towel silang kasama. Okay? Even though it's a shared bathroom, malinis siya. Ayan, may seat sanitizer. Tissue. Kaya importante may bidet. Diba? Ayan. So, we have 1, 2, 3. And meron pa dun actually. Ayan. Dito yung common area as well sa kabilang room. Yan. Ayan, may 1, 2, 3. 6 na CR with shower room. And that's the... Oh, pwede ka dito mag-toothbrush, mag-skincare. Ayan, diba? Okay, may blower. Oh, may plancha, diba? Perfect. Ayan. So, this is only located along Beach Road. Malapit lang sa Haji Lane and sa Arab Street. Okay, so bago tayo lumabas, magkape muna tayo. Kasi libre naman ang kape dito sa The Pod. It's super nice kasi may free-flowing coffee at Tita Rick. So, it's very helpful kasi if you're here in Singapore, medyo mahal talaga ang mga bilihin, even the water. So, may free water din sila. So, bring your own bottle para makasave ka habang nag-explore sa Singapore. Okay? So, just gonna have to chill and then later, we're gonna have dinner sa Lau Pasat. So, stay tuned for that.